Okay, so we want to look at a reflection and then a translation and see what happens to our point. First of all, we want to remember if we're given the point AB and it goes over the x-axis, that means that it becomes a negative b. If we have the same thing, but this time it's translated over the y-axis, that means it becomes negative ab. So if we look, we see we have the point -4, -3. It's translated over the y-axis, so that means a becomes its opposite, so that leaves me with 4, -3. They then tell me it goes to the left 3 units. That means because it's left, it's with my x, and it's going to go -3. So I'm going to go 4 -3, -3, which simplifies to be 1, -3. So that's exactly what I'm going to write, is 1, -3. Okay, so we can do that again with the next one. I've got to translate 2, 5 down 1 unit. So I'm going to go ahead and go 2 stays the same. Then I'm going to go 5 minus 1. So this gets me 2, 4. Then they tell me that I'm going to reflect over the x-axis. This means that my a stays the same, but the b becomes opposite. So this means I get 2, -4, which becomes my answer of 2, -4. All right, and doing that one last time, we're going to take and we're going to translate -2, 3 up 2 units. This means my y value, I'm going to add 2, so I get -2 and 3 plus 2, which is -2, 5. Then I'm going to reflect over the y-axis, which means that my a becomes opposite. So instead of -2, I get 2, and my b stays the same at 5. So I'm going to go ahead and write 2, 5, which we can check. And that's how you can find coordinates when you have a reflection and a translation.